Dang it. I don't know about y'all, but mud gnats has really snuck up on me, and yeah. So here we are. We got like 1 day till mud gnats, and I got so much to do. So what I'm doing right now, obviously the brood ain't gonna make it. So yeah, I'm riding the wife's bike, but so I've got to take these. You know, taking the wheels, tires off, or putting the wheels we pulled off of Woody's on this, just to give it a little more, you know, push them out a little more. And what else do I got to do to this? Yeah, I've got to put the farmudding halos on it. I've got to pull the winch to check the front diff, because, you know, I don't know if you can see that real well. It's just a little wet, but you know, I need to go through everything, check everything, and the winch is, I hope y'all can see that, because yeah, so I've got to pull the winch to check the diff. Awesome. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna get it done, y'all. I mean, I know I'm gonna be there, but we're just gonna see how much we are not gonna get done today. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all in a minute. Step 1 done. So, and yeah, let the old truck warm up. If y'all remember, that's what we're putting on it. So, to the tire shop we go. Well, we got her put back together. I don't have all the stuff put up, but I don't know if y'all remember, but so yeah, I've still got stuff all over the place. Like, you know, I went and picked up this box from Harbor Freight today to put the camera gear in, and farmudding halos. Oh, them suckers are bright. Yeah. Damn. Yeah, so let me know. You know, heck, it took a while to install this here. I had to trim away a bunch and all that, and yeah, lots of cussing involved in that one, but I think it looks, you know, pretty clean. So yeah, y'all's gonna have to let me know what you think. You know, these wheels, you know, they push the tires out just a little bit more. So let me know what y'all think. I know I'm in love with it. And it ain't even my bike, it's my wife's bike. My bike is over there in pieces. So anyways, so your first time stopping by, please subscribe. Thank you.